when it's come to building website and web application, then there are two main type of developer: front-end developer and back-end developer. What are the difference between two? So let's first talk about the front-end. So front-end developer are responsible for the part of the website or the web application that the user interact with. So this include everything from the layout and design to interactive element like buttons, menu, and the form. To build the front end of a website, front end developer use technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create user interfaces and also ensure that it is responsive and functional across the different devices and the screen sizes. On the other hand, backend developers are responsible for the server side of the website or the web applications. So this include everything from the database and the server configuration to application logic and the API that power the front end of the website or the web application. To build the backend of the website, backend developer use technology like Node.js, PHP, Python, and Ruby on Rails, and more especially Java as well to write server-side code. Also manage database and handle requests and responses from the front end. While backend and front end developer are distinct area of expertise, so many developers have a skill in both area and work on the full stack projects that involve both front end and back end part. So that is the difference between front end and back end developers. So whether you are building a website or maintaining an existing one, both front end and back end developers that play the critical role in delivering the great user experiences. So that's all for today. Let's meet in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.